What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have Danny's ATS-V 2016. It has a carbon package, but we are going to be adding the Extreme Online Store extended front lip and side skirts. His car came with the carbon package, but this splitter, it comes extended a little bit to the front, and then the side skirts on this car are actually like kind of gloss black and they're little. Carbon package is the only one that brings them, so we're gonna add those. Those are a little bit bigger, more aggressive, look nicer. And he already has their hood insert. Looks pretty good. So yeah, we're gonna get the car inside, lift it up, and we'll get right to installing it. Alright, so to get the front splitter out, we're using a T20. So this one's different. This one doesn't attach in the middle, just on the edges, and it has the holes for these and for the screws, but no holes for the nipples. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna shave down the nipples and get them out of the way. That way when we tighten all these, we're not pushing into the nipples and messing it up. So it's just 4 nipples on each side. We'll shave it down and then we'll push it back in and we'll be able to screw a lot of it. Here they are side by side. As you can see, the top one is the ATS-V one and the bottom one is Extreme Online Store. Something Danny was mentioning that was pretty cool is for the ATS-Vs, they make the carbon fiber pattern in a V. If you see, kind of goes up that way and up that way. Extreme Online Store did the same patterns up that way and that way, but it definitely extends a lot more over here, you can tell. So right now we're gonna like shave down those nipples a little bit and then we'll put it right back on. Alright, so Danny got it all in. He reused some of the Torx bits, bolts, and then let's see, just a couple self tappers, and we use the tape underneath right in the middle. But that's all in. Jump in and do the side skirts. Alright, so in order to get the side skirt on, because he has the carbon package on this ATS-V, we have to remove this little lip. We have to remove it, and this has a bunch of rivets.
28 to be exact.
28 rivets. So he's drilling those out. Just a couple rivets.
That's a lot of rivets. The axe gonna come right off. Woo! Oh, let me get the other. See, it's got like a push pin or something on it.
Okay, let
Nope.
me check. Nope. Doesn't have a push pin, Marty.
Nothing in the back here.
No, I don't think so.
It's just taped on there.
I think so.
A little bit of tape.
Yeah, it's got like a little push on the actual. There it is.
And that's out. Got some tape on the ledge.
That's all you need.
It's a little bit of tape. And then once we get it on there, we tape it. We'll go with the self-tap screws all the way down the ledge. Clean that ledge too with some alcohol. So we got this side all done with the tape and the self-tap screws. You can see them all along. Let's get the other side done and put it down on the ground. Both sides done. It's done. Both sides. Side done, and it looks good. Good. So let's get the car out, wipe down, and jump into some B-roll. Woo! There you have it. Another splitter and side skirts done. This one was a little bit more finicky to get in, but it's a little bit of work. Everything got in. It looks super good, super good. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just like always, Extreme Online Store coming through with some carbon fiber stuff for the cars. This time it was Danny's ATS-V. The car looks amazing, and as always, we're going to put a link in the description for the items and their store, and that's pretty much it. So you know what to do. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to see what's coming up next, and let us know in the comments what you think about how the car looks. I think it looks good, and the wrap helps it look even better with the lighting. This car is awesome. In the sun, it looks totally different than right now in the dark. So yeah, see y'all next time. Peace.